Deploy before flooding starts. Use multiple rows for stronger protection. Best for shallow flooding and water diversion. It's also important to mention no flood barrier works in every scenario. If you want an easier alternative to traditional sandbags, Aer-Flo Environmental flood bags are definitely worth considering for storm prep, job sites, and emergency response situations. If you have questions about sizing, applications, or deployment, reach out to Aer-Flo Environmental or leave a comment below.